Okay, Skinner Screens here. We're going to measure these windows here for solar screens, and these are going to be screwed on once we get them back. So this is how we measure them. This is what's known as a twin window. It's two windows that have a mulling in the middle, so they're kind of stuck together, but it is two windows, so they will get a screen on this side and a screen on this side. We always measure the width first and then the height. So we're going to measure from the screws here to the edge of the window frame. All right, so our average is 34 7/16. And then on our height, we've got brick down here. So we're going to measure from the brick up to the top. And we're going to get an average since we're on the brick. So I've got 71 1/4 in this side, 71 5/16, 71 1/2. So I'm going to go 71 5/16 on the height on that to kind of split the difference. And then on our center bar, we're going to have a center bar that goes across for stability of the screen once we screw it on. And we're going to be at 31 1/4 inches on that center bar. And so that's how we measure for windows like this. And these will be screwed on. This will probably have 70 or 80% black solar screen. If you have any questions on that, give us a call at Skinner Screens, 512-863-5145. Hit that like button, share, and hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Thanks for watching.